Hi, today I'm gonna open my toy, but today I'm gonna first open my snack. Let's go.
Let's see what you have.
Mom, она пила.
Лёва, спасибо, зайка.
Oh, what I have. 10 candies for $1.
Wow.
25 cents. 25 cents.
Yes. Okay.
Let's eat this one, okay?
Do you want to eat it, all of them? We just showing
No.
them, and then we're gonna show your toy.
I'm gonna open none of these. Just one of them.
Okay, let's open just one. And what is this? Show after.
This is okay.
Это змея.
This is a gum,
Да.
right? So, right now we're gonna open this thing.
Yeah, it's a snake. Looks like snake. Wow, it's a giant snake. Oh my goodness, it's so big. Leo, this is so tall. It seems like
No,
it's
it's so
almost
small.
you're tall.
Yeah.
Let's open your new gel bead tank. Woohoo!
Okay, come on.
Yay! Oh, here we go. Yeah, we should put it in the water. This is with what it's gonna bump.